Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Courtney, and today we are making this frog keychain. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to get about 5 feet of your cord and secure it to the keychain. And just like in the last videos, I always like to put tape down. It's a lifesaver when you're trying to tighten it all up. You're going to start with 3 green beads. And you're going to go through the opposite side and pull it all nice and tight. And for the second row, you're going to have a dark green bead, 2 of the light green, and then 1 of the dark green as well. And so the dark green are going to be the frog's eyes. And then for the third row, you have 5 green beads. And then you're going to finish off by doing another row of 5, and that will be the head of your frog. Okay, so now we're working on the arm of the frog. You're going to take 5 green beads and 3 yellow, and then you're going to lay your string down flat. Move the 3 yellow beads back, and you're going to take your string or cord and you're going to go through all of the green beads until you have pushed them all the way through, and you're going to pull nice and tight. Feel free to adjust any way you want to until you're happy with how the arm of your frog looks. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to take 5 green, 3 yellow, go all the way through the green beads until you get to the body of the frog, and just keep on pulling and adjusting until you're happy with how it looks. Okay, so now we're going to work on the body part of the frog, and you're going to start off by making 2 rows of 6 beads. And once you have made your 2 rows of 6, you're going to finish it off with 1 row of 5. Okay, so now we're going to be working on the leg part of the frog. You're going to have 9 green, 3 yellow, and you're going to take the 2 green beads that are closest to the yellow, and you're going to put the cord through there and pull and tighten until you like how sturdy it is. And then you're going to take the first bead of the leg and put your cord through there. And that's when you are going to pull and adjust until you get the curvy part of the frog's leg. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to have your 9 green beads, your 3 yellow, pull the 2 green beads closest to the yellow back, pull through nice and tight, adjust, 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 and then you're going to take the first bead of your leg and you're going to put the cord in there, and that's what's going to make the super cute curvy part of the frog's leg. Now we're going to finish up the frog's body by taking 4 green beads and pulling them nice and tight to finish the body. And you're going to see as you pull, the legs will like to move as well. And you're going to see that curvy jumping part of the frog. And then here's just where you play and adjust. And once you have the bottom of the frog, you're going to make 2 knots on the end, pull nice and tight, and you're going to cut off the ends, and then there you go. You have your super cute frog keychain. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. Please feel free to like and subscribe.